All right, students, we got the introduction out of the way, and what we're about to talk about were the relationships. We want to store our data in separate tables with like data. We don't want to store all the book names for every author or every publisher for every book. We want to store that data separately. In order to do that effectively, we need to use relationships. So we have our key field, author ID, and it's going to be related to author code in books. And we have our publisher ID, which is going to be related to the publisher ID in publishers. We need this related so that we can find data from all three tables when we're doing queries or reports. And I'll show you that in this publishers, books, and author query. You'll notice that we have all three tables because we want data from books, author, and publishers. When we run that query, you can see that we get the data from all three tables. Now, in your instructions, you're asked to add a bunch of data, and you can do that on your own. You simply open the form, and add new data. You can scroll through the data with the next record button at the bottom and find the data that you're looking for. Now, it's easy to create forms. We can simply select our query and go to create and select form. And in most cases, it's going to automatically put a subform on there when you've got when you have relationships set up. The same is true for our report. You're going to learn to create lots of reports. The easiest way to do so is to select the query or the table that you want it based upon, and then select report. Now this is going to look differently from the one that you saw first because it's going to have groups and a sort level on it. But you're going to learn how to move fields around on your reports and your forms. Pretty much that's all that you're asked to do. You're going to open the query, sort the query, and save and close the query. And the same is going to be true when you go to publishers. You want to sort it, books. You want to sort it by publication date, so you select the pub date, and in the ribbon you'll select descending. And you can see the little tiny arrow up there by the drop down showing that it's been sorted. So that's pretty much the homework assignment for chapter 1. And I don't think you'll have any problems, but if you do, be sure and email me your questions. If you need to send me your database to show me maybe something that you've messed up and you don't know how to fix, you must zip that database for me and email it to me that way. That's all for now. If you have any questions, be sure and let me know.